Please Do Not Sneeze, written by Roderick Hunt and Anne-Marie Young, and illustrated by Alex Brichter. Anina was on the beach with Wilf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Wilf had a frisbee. "Catch!" he called. "Mind the people." Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. The children were lost. "We can't see Mummy and Daddy," said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the Lost Children's Hut. "We will wait with you until your mummy comes," said Anina. Lost children. "Let me tell you a story," said Anina. "In a far-off land there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophie. The problem was her sneeze. She has a loud sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying funny things, like cheesy feet or stinky socks, chimney sweep. People said Sophie was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me cheesy feet. What a cheek! The Queen was cross with Sophie. "You need better manners," she said. "Mossy teeth!" Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. "Mossy teeth!" Even the king was cross with Sophie. "Tut, tut," he said, "you bad girl." Sophie sneezed harder and harder. "I do not mean to be bad," said Sophie, "but when I sneeze, people think I am shouting at them." Sophie was so unhappy that she ran off. She ran deep into the forest, but soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. "I will rest my head on these leaves," she said, and she soon fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night. To her relief, she did not sneeze at all. Sophie sat up with a start. A field mouse, an owl, and a donkey were looking at her. "You must be the sneezing princess," said the little mouse. "Yes, I am," said Sophie. "But out here in the forest, I did not sneeze at all." "People sneeze a lot," said the donkey. "There is too much dust in their houses." Too much dust. The king and queen ran up. "Sophie," said the king, "we have found you. What a relief! We must get rid of the dust." Just then, Charlie saw his mummy. "Charlie, Lily," she said, "I have found you. What a relief!" "We did like the story," said Lily. "Did Sophie stop sneezing?" "What do you think?" asked Anina. "Yes, if they did the dusting,"